Something strong is about to happen in Biggie's house because why did the ninjas come in and then set a timer and leave? And the timing is looking as if it's eviction show time. Do you understand? Some were saying, are you sure it's not for eviction tomorrow? Who knows? He may possibly evict somebody this night or evict two people this night. Some people were like, they may unpair them this Sunday. They want to unpair them or something. I don't know. Maybe at the end of the day, they'll unpair them and have one winner. But all I know is that the ninjas came into the house and then did some kind of certain timer and left the house. They didn't even talk to the housemates. They just walked in. After a while, went straight to the timer. Immediately it was switched on. They just left the house and it started ticking. Do you understand? And the housemates were asking each other, what's this? What's that for? Meanwhile, I saw something. They said a weekend to remember fasten your seatbelt. So we don't really know exactly what Biggie is up to, but this is exactly what I saw after this a weekend to remember thing in the house where he sent his ninja inside. So could it be that they will be evicting some or a pair in this Saturday night party? Or could it be that they are going to bring in another housemates or some housemates in the house? So he's just keeping everybody in suspense. So what do you guys actually think? Do you people think there is going to be eviction in this Saturday night party, or they will unpair them, or there are new housemates coming into the house? This one is going to be a Saturday to remember. What exactly is happening? Or will they declare winner inside the house? Now everybody is confused. I don't even know. Let's look at what people have to say about it. So the first person said, Nawa for Biggie. Make the no unpair sha. No waiting I will know be that. Now waiting I know be that. Count down for what again? And the laughing face thing. Yeah, I'm even surprised. This one said Biggie should unpair them and bring in new housemates. Imagine me not even interested on this Big Brother. Even though they go vacation because of Big Brother. I beg you won't do anything interesting. That's so then they do to make people watch, and it will end up something basic. Can't believe I'm watching this year's BBN like I have no idea. So like I said earlier, let me know what you guys think Big is up to in the comment section. This one he timed 24 hours. Let me know whether it's the unpairing thing, or there's going to be eviction during the party, or there's going to be new housemates coming into the house. But if there are new housemates coming into the house, it's already, they have gone into the show. So I doubt it's going to be new housemates. So it's basically going to be maybe unpairing them, or maybe evicting the lowest tonight in their Saturday party. This one is, we're just being curious. Do you understand? Like the housemate as well. So I don't know if Big Guy is going to say something tonight, or maybe Big Brother is going to say something tonight. But all I know is that something is definitely going to happen in Big Brother house within 24 hours, because that was the time. And if you're new here, please kindly click on the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye.